Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by choosing a lens that supports wide apertures like f/1, 4 or f/2. 8. Wide apertures reduce depth of field and create stronger background blur. Use longer focal lengths such as 85 mm or 200 mm to compress the scene and increase perceived blur. Remember that larger camera sensors yield shallower depth of field than smaller sensors at identical settings. If you have a prime lens, use it. Primes often deliver wider apertures and sharper subject separation. Control blur by positioning your subject and camera relative to the background. Move the subject closer to the camera and farther from the background to increase blur. Create at least several feet of separation between subject and background when possible. Step back with the camera and zoom, or use a longer focal length to maintain framing while enhancing blur. Small changes in distance often produce dramatic differences in background softness and bokeh quality. Switch to aperture priority or manual mode and select the widest aperture your lens allows. Use single-point autofocus aimed at the subject's eyes to ensure sharp focus and clean separation. Adjust ISO and shutter speed to maintain correct exposure while using wide apertures. If needed, increase focal length to boost background compression and blur without changing distance. Review images on the camera and make incremental aperture, distance, and focal length.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.